Static scanners bury you in false positives, and the real pen test takes weeks. Strix is different. It points autonomous AI hacker agents at an app you own and only reports a bug once it has actually broken in. Open source, 38,000 stars. So what is it? Strix is a team of autonomous agents that act like real hackers. They run your code, find a weakness, and prove it with a working exploit, then hand you the fix. Each agent carries a full offensive toolkit, an HTTP proxy, a browser, and a Python exploit sandbox. Setup is 2 steps. Install with 1 command, then bring any model key you like, from OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google. The only prerequisites are Docker running and that 1 key. No account needed. Now run it. Point Strix at a local codebase, a repo you own, or a deployed URL. The first run pulls a sandbox Docker image, the agents get to work, and your results are saved to a run folder. Here is what it finds. On a demo shopping cart, Strix sends a negative quantity and successfully creates an order with a negative total. Vulnerability confirmed. Then it writes a full report, high severity, the exact endpoint, and the root cause. Not a maybe, a proven exploit. And it scales. A graph of agents works like a coordinated red team, sharing findings as they go. It covers the common web vulnerability classes and more. Run it headless on a server, or drop it into GitHub Actions to test every pull request. It even writes the patch. So that is Strix. Autonomous agents that find your bugs, prove them, and hand you the fix with any model you like. 1 rule: point it only at apps you own or ones you are authorized to test. Open source, Apache 2.0, start it on GitHub.